Binary options, the easiest way to make money with binary options and CFD. In a moment, I will reveal to you the easiest way to make money with binary options. But first, here are the basics of binary options trading. A binary option is in fact a prediction of which direction the price of the underlying asset, a stock, commodity, index or currency, will move, by a specified expiration time. With binary options, an investor doesn't purchase the asset, he is merely predicting the direction that the underlying asset moves. There are actually just two possible outcomes. A fixed gain, if the option expires in the money, or a fixed loss, if the option expires out of the money. The price of the asset is not important. The only thing that matters is whether the prediction is correct or incorrect. A binary options trade usually involved 3 steps. First, you choose a trade expiration time. This is the time you want the trade to end. It could be any time period, between a minute and a week. Usually it is within the day. Second, you choose call or put. If you think the price will end up above the current price, you click the buy, call, button. If you think the price will end up below the current price, click the sell, put, button. Now that the trade is placed, you simply wait for the outcome. If the trade expires in the money, you make a profit. If it expires out of the money, you'll lose. Now you can see where the binary comes from. It stresses the fact that there are 2 possible outcomes to a binary option, both of which are set and understood by the investor prior to placing a trade. Now here is an example. You purchase a Google binary option for $25, with the opinion that within 2 hours Google's shares will be higher than they currently stand. If you are correct, you get a previously set percentage return on your investment, for example 82%. Should the shares go lower, you lose your investment. A number of factors distinguish binary options from regular stock options. Typically, the short-run expiration time suggests traders could make an immediate profit on the binary options, and therefore, are way more versatile in their option investments. In regular stock options, a trader will pay per contract. Therefore, the investor may profit or lose a sum, based on the quantity of points difference between the expiration level and the strike price. In contrast to binary options, in which the 2 outcomes are actually set from the beginning. An investor in a binary options needs to hold on to his option until the expiry date. He must consequently take more care whenever buying his options, as he is unable to sell them after they are purchased. Binary options are categorized as exotic options. However, inside financial markets they sometimes are termed as digital options. While digital options are quite simple to understand and easily traded, the mathematics behind the pricing is complex. Most binary options tracings nowadays are performed online through private brokers that use sophisticated trading platforms. So what is the easiest way to make money with binary options and CFD? The easiest way to make money is to trade binary options at an online broker, in the following unique way. First, you find out what the most successful traders are doing. Then, you copy their trades, while riding on their success. But how can we know what the successful traders are doing? There are a few online brokers that will allow you to see exactly what the most successful traders are doing. This method of trading is very simply and easy. Even a 10-year-old can do it. To see how you can take full advantage of this profitable method, while avoiding common mistakes, simply follow the link in the description that is below this video.